Hello guys, it's me, Cheddar Big Ninja. So, well, let me tell you a little bit about what I'm doing here. So I've got this generic old NES copy controller with a really long ass cord, and I have all the parts to this NES authentic Nintendo controller with all the logos and whatnot, all the buttons and whatnot. But I lost because I took it apart because I was going to do something with it. Circuit board's still intact and everything, so cleaned it all up, but I lost the little rubber these things for the buttons, so hopefully this one has it in it, and I'm just going to open this up, take it out, and transfer it to the legitimate one for my nephew. They recently found his dad's old NES in their garage, so they started playing it. And, Uncle, can I have some games? No, I can find you some. Can I have another controller? I'll try and find you one of those too. I think I got the parts, but lo and behold, I'm missing the most crucial ones. And I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money on buying new ones and waiting for them to ship in from eBay. So these should work. Oh, look at that. There you go. That's what the generic one looks like. And this is what the legit one looks like. Alright. That out of the way. And it does have the things that I need right here. That's what I need. These little rubber contacts. They're cheapy compared, but oh wells. Don't need all that. Okay. A and B buttons. Where's that rubber? Put this on. There we go. D-pad. D-pad rubber buttons. And the original start and select button. Okay. Slap this in here. Like so. Goes here, I think I put it last time. Okay, how did I do this? That's how I did it. Look at that. Okay, so that all sits in there. Go down like that. Okay, so these screws don't look too bad, so I'm going to steal these for this one, because I had lost the ones that were in that one, or this one, I guess. Nice little easy transfer, should work like a charm, I'm hoping. Okay. Well, I'll just have to hook up my regular Nintendo and give her a test, see if this little transplant worked. Alright, sorry guys, I didn't have a chance to hook up the HD recorder just for this test, so it's just a test to make sure that this remote functions properly. Up, down, left, right works well. Throw my boomerang with the B button. Stab people with my shore button. Start brings up that, and select works too. I thought I could bring up another menu with that. But it pauses it. Okay. Sweet. Alright. So, sorry for the crappy camera on this one, but now as you can see, this repaired controller works fine. So, yeah. Alright, anyways. Cheddar Bake Ninja out. Happy gaming, all that jazz, and take care of yourself, people. Talk to you later.